Load your family into the 2019 Audi Q7. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a power seat, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.